Yeah? Good manners. Hey! I'll come see. It is steep. I'll come see. Hold on. Hello, Miss Olivia. What beautiful teeth you have. Hey, Molly. Hello. Hello. Pretty girl. Let's see what Big Brother's doing. Working on his homework. Hello, monkey.
Mom, what?
And what are you doing, young man?
Doing my ends.
Your homework?
Yep.
Let's take a look, shall we? Very nice. What is this? You might want to erase that one.
But I colored in it.
You should erase it and redo it. You still have 2 more left.
Can I, Mommy, can I see in there? Excuse me. Can I see my ends in there? Can I?
I don't know, because I can't tell if I'm on your ends or not.
Cool.
Okay,
Excuse me.
go ahead and finish up your ends. Let me go check on Ollie.
Okay.
There she is! There's my beautiful girl. Oh, don't flash at your belly. There she is. Let's check on Mommy's chocolate chip cookies. They're getting there. Hey, do you smell cookies? Yeah, you wish you could have one, I bet, huh? Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty. Beautiful girl. Okay, let's say bye-bye. Hi. Love you, Olivia. How you doing? I love you. What do you want?